Construction's future, built one brick at a time. Dawn breaks, innovation takes flight. Preparation beats improvisation every single time.
The night system's green. Let's fly, people.
Every detail locked down, every hazard neutralized. Precision isn't optional, it's the entire job. Every angle captured, every measurement exact.
Grid's done. Data at 99%.
Raw data becomes a living digital twin.
This model's gorgeous. Look at that revolution.
A breathing replica of reality. Manual surveys, cute, but obsolete.
70 times faster than tape measures, Drake.
And 100 times more accurate. That's the game.
Ready to build smarter? Call Extreme Aerial Productions, 602-908-2043. Precision, innovation, your future.